I'm Dr. Lynnae Quick, and I study volcanoes on the planets and moons in our solar system. One of my biggest inspirations was Dr. Beth Brown, and she was an astrophysicist here at NASA. To see an African-American woman succeeding in science in a field where there aren't many minorities and aren't many women was inspiring to me. I really was not a big science geek until high school. I took a biology course my freshman year in high school and had an excellent teacher, and that's when I decided that science was cool. And then by my junior year in high school, I took an earth science course, and one of the units that we covered was astronomy. I became hooked on space. I thought it was very cool that someone could make a career out of studying outer space. The coolest thing about being where I am has to be being one of the first people to see new pictures of the surfaces of a planet or a moon or an asteroid that a spacecraft has sent back that no one else has seen. And we see all of these cool features. We have to put our heads together and figure out how these features formed. One of my hobbies is writing, and I like to write creatively. And so being able to have that skill helps me to paint a very nice picture of what's happening on the surfaces of other planets and moons when I want to talk to other people or when I want to write about it. Creative writing helps that. For me, the largest impact that I could make, though, would be to broaden people's perception of what a scientist is and what a scientist looks like. If my presence in my work has that type of impact, I feel like I've done my job and I've been a part of something that's significant.